Hey everybody, I'm back. I'm very sorry for not posting some rants videos because I'm busy uploading other stuff. But anyways, here's my first robot trains video. Even though I like robot trains because it has got better characters than eurukas castle. So, this is not a rant, this is a salute. Anyways, let's get started this salute. Robot trains? Yes, this show rocks. This show involves two characters and they like to go on great missions, so if they have danger. Kay is my favorite character. Jenny is cute. Olaf loves to fly. Victor is a superstar. Duck knows how to swim. Sally is a heart. And Duke, well, he's kind. So guys, Sally, Duck, and Duke are not in this picture, but they're only Victor, Kay, Ginny, and Olaf here. Because I love it. Those characters look cute and innocent than the eurukas castle. Eurukas castle looks creepy. And but the characters from Robot Trains were look cute. Right guys? Cute? Yeah. So too bad it got cancelled on the new Cartoonito 2021 logo. But do you know who likes this show? Katats, Makiko Fox, Milliken Bunny, and Sylvana Fox. They want to join the cast, but no, because they belong to themselves, not Disney Channel Korean. Do you know who neutral to this show? SpongeBob SquarePants and Ronnie Anne. They won't kill all the characters. And do you know who hates this show? Mika Kid, Pinky Kid, and Paka. Note, even though I like Paka, they wish they could kill all the characters. So Robot Trains rocks. And so does Nihao Kailan. If you hate this show, please respect my opinion. And so does the Pinky Kid. Bad Pinky Kid sucks. The end of rant. Bye bye. And then